Hello,
Today we're eating. Oh yeah, Anna and James reviewed Tesco reductions. Today we've got a wicked, that means vegan, wrap. And we've got sticky barbecue tenders and cream.
Anna made me bite my tongue, and so I can't taste anything.
Oh, why don't you bite your tongue?
No, I can. It's fine.
And creamed corn.
Ew.
That's
Flame
better.
grilled soya protein shreds in a sweet smoky barbecue sauce, smoky coconut oil alternative to cheese, creamed corn and crisp slaw. Originally, James just nicked all the stickers off of it.
£3.
Originally £3, but we got it for.
It's free.
You remember it was £3. Oh, Anna's having some of your dinner.
I don't want it. No, you have that. It's nice.
But we're filming a reduction. It's actually genuinely. Kate, have a whiff of that. What does
It
that
tastes
smell
quite
like?
It tastes like meat.
A compost bin.
Oh my god, it does smell. That's horrible. It does. It does.
Oh my gosh.
Have you smelled it, James?
That's fine.
It does.
Oh my! It's just like absolutely identical to Benji.
Yes.
I'm actually still got watermelon in my mouth.
Oh, fair.
It tastes quite like barbecue.
Oh dear. James will have it.
Oh, okay,
no.
okay. I'm getting.
Okay.
I'm beginning to get barbecue. Before it was just like solid bin juice.
I really hoped you would say it tasted like bin juice too, because
It'd be so funny. You have to
I
upload
wonder
this.
where they get their
James,
grill marks
please
from.
upload this tonight. We can watch it tomorrow.
I wonder where they get their grill marks
It's
from,
alright.
because like
oh my gosh, this is
What
gonna
do
be
they-
the first
what do
video
they
that's
do with this?
filmed by someone else, not selfie.
It does taste a bit like a Beyond Meat burger.
Whoa.
Do you want to try some?
I wouldn't give it that much credit.
There is another one.
You have not sold it.
What would you give it out of 7, Anna?
Well, I wouldn't get it in a meal deal because it does smell like bins.
Also, it's not in the meal deal. It's not in the meal deal.
It's not in the meal deal, unfortunately. Fortunately.
That's so dead. Why is it even in the meal deal section?
It's